Thokozani, Emma, Kosini, Thokozani, everyone that is watching this video. So, if you know, Uti, like when it comes to love, like umjolo uyaku shaya, uya nje, uyagila, uyokulahla phasi. So this is something that you can use, um, that I recommend. You can get it at any multi shop or at the chemist where they have like tiwasho tesintu, like the like the ones that I'm holding, you understand, la bathengisa khona tiwasho. Utowathola man this love drops, uthela kancane tukemanda akho okugeza, uthela kancane tuke lotion yakho. But for ukuthi asebenze kahle kakhulu, I prefer ukuthi uwasebenzise njengoba anjalo, like uthele esandleni kancane and then ugcobise emtimba. Remember ukuthi when you use things like this, fanele uqale uwente njani, ugeze ngensipho kuqala bese ke utawusebenzisa lawo mafutha. Kuma sometimes if uneswasho ugeze ngensipho, ugeze ngaleso swasho bese uyawasebenzisa. And then now lamanye futhi as well that I prefer ukuthi uwamixe on-two, but utobona nalawo okugcina, cause usually for ibhomu lesebenta kahle ngiprefera ukuthi uwasebenzise abe yi-three. So now lamanye lawa enkosazane, like lawa aya-attractor, I love them a lot. You should go and check at any of your multi shops la bathengisa khona labana the Ndlovu products. I'm not it's not a paid partnership or anything. I'm just giving you something that can help you when it comes to your love. Uyabona, so uyawamixa on-two and then uwadide enzaweni leyi-one. It can be an empty container that uwafaka phakathi kuwo or uwafaka phakathi tuke-lotion yakho yokugcobisa bese-ke nawuhamba uya la ukhona khona uyagcobisa. Utobona mani utothandzeka nebantu batokuthandza. I'm sure nemlingani wakho utokuthandza naye. Nangokuthi bakuphosa ngeticitho vele awusabonakali endlini, I prefer ukuthi uwasebenzise. Yeah, but remember guys, I always tell you ukuthi when you use things like this, qala utithandazele kuqala, you understand. And then now lamanye futhi lahambiselana nawo lawo ngoba onke ima like elthando. So I prefer ukuthi wamixe onke oyi-three, wamixe onke oyi-three enzaweni leyi-one and then uwasebenzise. I really recommend ukuthi uwasebenzise. So yabona lawa bafake nesihlahla futhi phakathi bafake nemalakhi beans. So yeah guys, nenhlanhla nje kuyangenelelana nje, uyathandzeka uba nenhlanhla nje, unemuntu angamana kupha imali, hayi nawusebenzisa lawa mafutha kuhamba kahle. Kuhamba kahle guys. Yeah, I can't go any further than this. I just wanted to give you something that you guys can use at home if you know ukuthi when it comes to your love things are just not going well. Thokozani, Emma, Kosini, don't forget to subscribe. Love you guys so much.